I'm gonna head over to St. Thomas. I'll call you as soon as I hear anything.
Okay, thanks. Hey, baby. They're waiting for you inside.
Yeah. What?
Someone blew up your friend with a car bomb.
We don't know what happened.
Jesus Christ. We watched it happen. Who the hell would do that? Why would anyone do that?
Look, I'm not sure who did it, that's the truth. Probably the same guys who I auto jumped.
Are you in danger? Am I? Oh, God.
Look, I'm sure nothing's gonna happen. Just gotta be smart. A little more cautious, alright? It's gonna be okay, babe.
No, it's not.
I have to go deal with this.
This explosion. And those the same people who attacked you?
And if it was?
Maybe if you've told somebody about what happened.
This isn't on me.